iOS 17 is finally here. To get it ahead of others, tap on Settings, select General, tap on Software Update. Here you can see iOS 16.7.1 is available, but also you could directly upgrade your iOS to iOS 17. So why to wait? And this is not the beta version, so it is fully tested and ready to apply to your phone. To do so, simply tap on Upgrade to iOS 17. As you can see, it is 3.3 GBs. So it's a big file and it brings with it big updates to your iPhone. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi and it is fully charged so that the download and update would go smoothly. If you're using mobile data and it is limited, then this new update could consume most of your mobile data's allowance. Here you can read a short description of the new features that iOS 17 comes with. Tap on Download and Install. Enter your passcode. So tap on Agree. You need to tap on Agree again to accept terms and conditions. Now, depending on your Wi-Fi speed, it could take a while for the update to be downloaded and then to be installed. Fast forward, download is now completed and installed. Just like getting a new phone, you will get a hello message. Then enter your passcode. Then tap on Continue. Here you get some option regarding iPhone analytics. I tap on Don't Share, and finally we are here. You can simply swipe up here to close this. All my apps are still working and are there as they were before, but when I open Photos app, as you can see, it provides a description of the new features in iOS 17 to the Photos app. You can simply tap on Continue and then you will get another notification for Apple Music and privacy, which you can tap on Learn More and then close it. And as you can see, all my photos and videos are still there in my Photos app even after the update. You can find more relevant videos in the description and pinned comment. Don't forget to subscribe to support my channel.